If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To use pivot table styles to apply preset formatting to pivot tables in Excel, click into any cell in a pivot table. Then click the desired style to apply from the listing of pivot table styles in the Pivot Table Styles button group on the Design Contextual tab in the ribbon. To modify the settings of the preset pivot table styles, check the desired checkboxes in the Pivot Table Style Options button group on the Design Contextual tab in the ribbon. Doing this lets you select the areas within the pivot table to which to apply special formatting. To apply special formatting to the row headers and column headers, check those checkboxes. To apply banding to the rows or columns in the pivot table, check the Banded Rows or Banded Columns checkboxes. To change the summarization and layout of a pivot table, use the buttons in the Layout button group on the Design Contextual tab of the ribbon. To choose a layout for subtotals in a selected pivot table, click the Subtotals button and select a choice from its drop-down menu. To choose the display of grand totals in a selected pivot table, click the Grand Totals button and select a choice from its drop-down menu. To change the layout of a selected pivot table, click the Report Layout button and then select a choice from its drop-down menu. Finally, to choose how to show blank rows in a selected pivot table, click the Blank Rows button and then select a choice from its drop-down menu. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.